Hi everyone, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to meet Greg, who has one of the most unique rigs I've ever seen. Greg, tell us about your rig.
It's a 1969 Chinook Mobile Lodge. They only built a number of them. I'm not sure how many they built, but I personally have not seen one on the road myself. So I know they're out there, a few of them.
I had no. Now this is the Chinook that we all think of for the small B pluses, Class Cs.
Yeah, this was their Class A attempt, and then when the gas prices got up there, they just dropped the idea and started building the vans and the little pop-top ones, which they built for years and they're still on the road.
And had great success.
Those Toyota ones are just bulletproof.
Yeah, one of the great rigs.
So this is built on a Dodge 300 chassis. So it's got the 318, the 747 transmission. Basically all the motorhomes in this era are pretty much built on the same chassis.
Right.
As far as I know.
And great rigs.
Yeah.
Last for years and years.
Yeah. Got me all the way here. It's got original miles on it. I fixed up. I've done a lot to it, but I've still got the original motor and transmission and rear end in it. It's still got about 90,000 miles on it.
Wow, that's good. So it looks like you've been doing some restoration on it.
Yes, I have. I've done quite a bit actually. A lot of this, mostly on this side of the bus, is pretty much new from the here down. I replaced had to reframe it and put all new aluminum on here and installed a new door. Storage compartments, battery compartments, and the step have all been basically all new. That's what I've done to this side. Mechanically, I've done pretty much everything I could possibly think of and more to it. Because I really want to use it. I can do it, but I'm at the age where I don't necessarily want to. So I'm putting the money into it, so I don't have to do so much to it. So
it's been to the shop and people are taking
Yeah. It's been a 3-year project.
Yeah.
3 years.
It's paying off because it's gorgeous.
Yeah, thank you. I get a lot of attention.
I bet.
It's pretty cool.
Everywhere you go, somebody wants to say, "Nice bus."
Yeah,
what is it?
Yeah, that's what I get. What the heck is that thing? So it's really fun. It's fun because I'm kind of introverted, so and I'm used to being alone. So this is good because it gives me nice people walk up and talk to me,
and kind of forces you out of your shell.
Forces me out of my shell. Yeah. So it's been really good in that way because it seems like wherever I can park when there's nobody around. All of a sudden, people show up. It's really fantastic.
You might have to name it the Magic Bus.
The Magic Bus.
People just show up.
Yeah, it's true.
And we've been inside, and man, what a nice job you've done inside.
Thank you very much.
Would you mind if we went in and look around?
Not at all.
So now you've went around and sat up front. This is obviously the driver's area.
This is the driver's area, yes. This is it, the lounging area.
Swivel seat.
Yep. Got the old dashboard, old shifter on the column, like the old Dodges all have. This is a reclining diner. This reclines. These seats both recline, and this one swivels around to face the other direction, or they fold down and they make a bed, which is really nice. Makes a nice little bed here. And
was this factory, or did you do this?
Factory. There were seats that were upholstered like this, and I took the upholstery part out, and I just used all the hardware and the framing, and I just refinished it myself, and just went with the cushions instead.
So it's a great place to lounge.
Oh, it is the place.
It is the place.
The place to lounge.
And look at that view.
This morning I had in Joshua Tree. I had the sun coming up over my shoulder, and I sat here and read with my cup of coffee. It was like there's nothing better.
Yeah, that's exactly what I would be thinking.
There's nothing better than this.
Yeah.
So
this also lays down and becomes a bed.
This makes a bed. Yes,
standard. And show us back next. I think it looks like you got a bath here.
Got a bathroom here, a little bathroom.
Nice.
Real
nice bathroom.
Porcelain potty.
So it has its full tanks and water and hot water heater.
It's got all the gizmos on it.
And have you had to do a lot of restoration on all that?
Yeah, I'm still doing it.
Still doing it, yeah. It's kind of probably a never-ending project, I guess.
I'm still working on some electrical, but I'm going to go solar, so I'm kind of starting from scratch again on that. So.
Okay. And go
and this
back.
Is closet space in here. I don't know if you want to see any of that.
Sure, always. Like a peek in your closets.
Big closet pantry area here.
And some of your electrical.
Some of the electrical needs work. Got the 4-burner oven with a nice top of the line oven here. Super cool.
Is that original?
Yeah, it's all in there. All in. All this what you see here was in here. The countertop. This is what sold me on it, was the countertop.
Wow, that's a work area there.
Yeah, yeah. It's a Corian counter.
Well, so that couldn't have been original.
I don't know. I don't know. But it looks, parts of it looks original, part doesn't. You know, the way it wraps around this way. And I've added new water faucets. I had to put this pump in here so I can just have regular water in a tank down here.
Oh.
And I can just run. So I have the option of having my water pump, or I can just pump out of that container right there.
So, but your bathroom does work, black and gray.
Yeah.
And you shower in there.
Everything works.
Yep.
So I shower mostly outside, but yes, it does work. It's got nice deep
Nice storage.
cupboards up, nice storage with high. Keeps everything nice and fresh, nice and tight in here. And that wraps all the way around the whole truck.
And the woodwork is just gorgeous.
Yeah, isn't it sweet?
Really,
It
feels good in here.
Yes, it does feel good. It was pretty much like this, but it was a lot of tobacco had been smoked in here. So I did a lot of scrubbing. And then I did some light sanding on the wood and put a clear coat.
That's a beautiful
Clear coat
finish.
and everything. I didn't really, just wanted to make it look nice.
Yeah.
I wasn't trying to make it restored, like brand new, but I wanted to keep the patina going.
Well, you succeeded because it's beautiful.
Yeah. And I installed the floors, bamboo
Yeah.
floors in here.
And they are what catch your eye when you first come
Yeah,
inside.
these are really cool.
Because that's a gorgeous floor.
Yeah.
I doubt if I can show you folks, but it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a beautiful floor. And I put the floor and I put the trim in, and I trimmed out the cabinets. Anything that looks kind of trimmed out because it wasn't done before, just to clean everything up and make it look a little fancy, a little more upscale.
Mm-hmm.
And
Big lounging area in back, and that's where you sleep.
Yeah, I got the big bed back here. That actually folds in and makes a couch if I want to. I guess they call it a gancho couch or something like that.
But you would probably just sit up front all the time.
Another big cabinet here.
Nice big cabinet.
Nice
yeah.
big cabinet here. Your basic refrigerator, I guess.
3-way?
3-way.
Mm-hmm.
No, 2-way. I'm sorry. It's having a little bit of a hard time right now, but it's okay.
Looks like an old one.
Yeah. I'm not sure how long this. I don't know. I might have to go get an ice chest there. But yeah, the nice drawers. Just feels homey. It's got all the.
It's gorgeous.
All the comforts.
It's comfortable and gorgeous.
Yeah.
And you're just taking trips right now.
This is an expert. I lived, like I talked to you earlier. I lived full time in a school bus for 10 years, and now that I'm retired and the kids are grown, I'm exploring the idea of full time in it again.
Mm-hmm.
So this is kind of a maiden voyage for me.
And this would be the perfect thing to full time.
For one person, it's really perfect for one. It's cozy for two, perfect for one.
Yeah.
Not big enough for roommates.
No. Life's always a little better when you're all by yourself. In some ways.
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. I'm never really lonely by myself.
No. Nice big decent storage back here.
Nice big storage, lots of good drawers. Yeah.
Must be storage underneath the bed as well.
There's a cabinet underneath the bed, which is hard to get to, but it's in there. And all these cabinets.
Oh, yeah, that's
I don't
big.
even use any of it, hardly any of it.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, you move in and you need every square inch of it.
Yeah, I've only been on the road like a little over a week. So I just came from Joshua Tree. Tried to get here a little earlier, but I had some problems.
Yeah. Well, you get an old rig, you're going to have some problems. You get an old rig, you're going to have some problems. That's just kind of the way it works.
When I'm driving through LA at night and I'm going, wow, what am I doing here? Because the truck's 49 years old, so
right.
You have these little
it's almost
anxiety attacks like, wow, what am I doing here, But then it just purrs on through. Everything's good.
Cool.
So I don't know what else I could show you.
No, I think you got it covered really well, Greg.
Cool.
Thank you so much for sharing this. It's so beautiful.
Oh, I'm happy to share it. I think it's one of the coolest things about having it, is sharing it with other people.
Right. And it's a magic bus. People just show up to say, wow.
Yeah.
It's nice to share your things with us. Well, Greg, thanks so much for sharing your home. I really appreciate it. Those of you out there, if you've been inspired, if you've got some ideas you like, I hope you like us on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you later.